All right, guys, look at this beast. 2016 GMC Sierra Denali. Black wheels, black cover, just murdered out all the way around. Look at that. Really nice truck. What we got done on it? Factory converter, factory third converter, 3-inch pipe. Then we took off his rusted out Flowmaster and tailpipes. Installed a Borla Pro XS. Here's the part number. 4008487 right there. He didn't want it too loud, he didn't want it to drone too much inside, so you always go with Borla for a nice clean deep tone. Then 2 1/4 tailpipes out the back on each side, and reused his 4.5-inch tips to complete the look, because they were double walled. They're still clean right there and right there, as you guys can see. It just came out nice, clean. That's a nice setup. And there's the muffler that was on it. It was a Gibson, not a Flowmaster, Gibson, sorry guys. It wasn't good, it was all rotted out, as you guys can see, look. So we took it all off, ran a new clean system. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it, and like always guys, make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. Nice. That's a nice clean deep tone. Nothing crazy, not too loud, just a clean, deep tone. Again. What do you think? You can't see me. Here's sound decibels. 94.5. Go ahead and back it up. Sorry guys, but they're doing construction, so we'll get you as close as we can to the sound. That truck though, look at that. Really nice. Nothing crazy, just a clean deep tone. That truck. Let you guys hear it on the inside. GMC Sierra 1500. Nice truck. All custom to the max. With Borla Pro XS. Denali. Nothing crazy with the Borla. Perfect, clean sound.